Good morning, folks. Well, this is Bulumba Creek, if I pronounce that correctly, in the Conondale National Park in the Sunshine Hinterland in Queensland, Australia. Just on the edge of this subtropical rainforest, so interesting what I see today. Little group of wrens here with this one has got beautiful red colours. I saw something similar to this in Deception Bay, but I'm not quite sure it's the same species. But they're tiny little wrens. Even walking through this track here in this subtropical rainforest, even you can find beauty even on a discarded branch here, like this beautiful fungus that's grown on this discarded piece of fallen branch. Absolutely beautiful. Just on a discarded branch. Beautiful coloured kingfisher here on the side of this creek. I'm not quite sure what type of kingfisher. See if I can get in a slightly better position. Another one of those beautiful, magnificent kingfishers. I was lucky this time. I got a front view. It would be fantastic if you actually spots a fish and dives into the pool. Seems to be more interested in me at the moment. Another type of forest bird here, conveniently perched on this tree here. sort of a pretty plain nondescript type bird, about the size of a blackbird. Hasn't got any really sort of standout markings. Not quite sure what bird that is. But it's conveniently flew up to this tree. Some type of cuckoo, I reckon. Got barred markings on the end of his tail. But he looks as interested in me as I am of him or her. Got that sort of barred markings on the end of its tail there. All good things to remember for identification purposes. I'm out of focus now. If I maybe put my hand in front of the camera, sometimes that helps the focusing. Yeah, some type of cuckoo. He seems quite curious to me. There's a caravan you can hear in the background there. It's just flying overhead. I do believe, I think that's called a pipper. A pipper bird. Sort of a ground dwelling. See if I can move my camera. Here we are. Yeah, there's I do believe it's called a pipper. Or pitta, I think. Beautiful coloured ground dwelling. Ground dwelling bird. Unfortunately, although I'm in the middle of rainforest, I think there is some logging activity going on somewhere, and the loggers have got their radio up quite loud, which is pretty disappointing really, because it's quite a still day today. I think sound travels quite a lot. There's a magnificent looking bird.